$177 over and over and over again. And in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you the one thing that you need in order to pump out affiliate commissions on a routine basis for your affiliate marketing business. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if you are looking to make money with affiliate marketing and email marketing specifically, welcome to the channel. And if you get any value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and join the family. All right, guys, so it's going to jump right into this video. So the one thing that you're going to need in order to continually pump out commissions for your affiliate marketing business is an 11-letter word called consistency. Is you need to be consistently doing two things: getting quality traffic. You cannot stop getting quality traffic, and you also need to be continually building your list. In the affiliate marketing game, that's really the two things that you really need to focus on. You need to get quality traffic and you need to build your list. Because if you're getting quality traffic and you're continually building your list, these sales will come. The problem is we see all the gurus and they paint this great picture of just instant wealth and instant riches, and you push a couple buttons and all this money starts falling out of the sky, and it's very misleading. But the reality is that you can't achieve instant wealth and riches with your business. It just doesn't work that way. And if you think about it, nothing comes instantly and nothing comes right away. Many of you might have kids, and if your kids are first learning to walk, do they just stand up and just start walking? No, they start crawling first, and then they stand up and they fall down and they get back up and they fall back down, but they keep trying, they keep going, and eventually they start to walk. I mean, the first time that you rode your bike, did you just get on the bike and just start pedaling and just ride off into the sunset? No, you got on your bike, you wobbled, you probably fell a couple times, you probably scraped your knee, you scraped your arm and your elbow, because it takes practice, right? And so that's the same thing it takes with your affiliate marketing business. This doesn't come easy. But if you're consistent, if you're consistently getting traffic, if you're consistently building your list, I promise you that you will start to get the results. So when you start getting the traffic and you start building your list, you might do some solo ads, you might do some other form of marketing, and you start building that list. Don't assume that you're gonna start making hundreds of dollars on the first day. It takes time. It's like a little bit of a machine. You gotta keep putting leads in, putting leads in, putting leads in, and eventually you might see a sale pop out. You might see another sale pop out. Maybe a couple days later, another sale pops out. But if you keep feeding that funnel, feeding that machine with leads consistently over time, and not just one little advertising campaign, not just one solo ad, you gotta keep doing it. You gotta keep buying the solo ads. You gotta keep getting the traffic. You gotta keep building the list. You gotta keep mailing your list, right? You gotta mail that list and mail that list. And if you keep doing it, the sales will consistently start popping out, right? And that's what I'm doing here, and that's what I want to encourage you guys to do as well, because I get messages from people all the time, and they're saying, well, I tried to buy a solo ad, I didn't make money. Well, how many solo ads did you buy? And how big is your list? And how many times did you email them? And from the answers that I get, the results basically speaks for themselves, because it's like one solo ad, I have 10 leads, and I mailed them one time, or I didn't mail them at all. You know, so it's really up to you guys to really take the bull by the horn and get consistent. Like, write that word wherever you're working on your workstation: consistency. So how do you actually do that? So if you're going to be buying solo ads, or you're going to be doing some sort of form of paid advertising, set up a budget for yourself. So if you have $400, let's say you're going to spend $100 a week on advertising campaigns, and you just do that consistently. You're going to be consistently building your list, and then you want to consistently mail your list. You're going to actually get better at mailing your list as time goes on. Again, when you first start out mailing your list, you're going to try to figure it out. You may not get as many opens, you may not get as many clicks as you want, but the more you mail your list, you're going to start getting a feel for what your list is responding to. So you'll start to get in somewhat of a rhythm, so that you kind of know how to email your list and know what to put in those emails, and that they start opening more and clicking more. And the more opens you get, the more clicks you get, the more opportunity you get people to your sales pages, the more money you make. Guys, you have to be consistent. You cannot stop. You have to keep getting the traffic. You have to keep building your list. You have to keep mailing your list. So that's really all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to make this video to encourage you guys to just keep going and keep being consistent. I'm no one special. If I can make money by sending emails, you can do it too. Anybody can do this. You just have to be consistent. So if there's anything I can do to help out, guys, please let me know in the comment section. I'll also leave a free course to an affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to start building your list and getting paid and free traffic. So you can actually check out that free course in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you for free.